Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Tiana here, of course. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick, just on the go makeup, hair, and outfit. So a 3-in-1, get ready with me. This is my first one on my channel. I usually don't do these types of videos, but I figured since it's just like a quick get out the door mask quarantine edition, I would just show you my quick just hair and outfit. So if you guys want to see this full 3-in-1 get ready with me, then please keep watching. All right, so I have been keeping it really simple with my face beauty routine because I can't even count how many times I've made the mistake of doing my makeup and then realizing, oh, that's right, I have to wear a mask. So I am not doing foundation, and I'm priming because we're not going to be doing foundation, and I still do have oily skin. Even though I have kind of realized I like more hydrated looking skin, I'm not crazy. It is 90 plus degrees outside, and when I am leaving the house, like, I still want to look not like a Crisco ball. Like, I don't know how else to explain it, but sometimes if my oils are left untreated, I can look really oily. I'm just going to spoolie up my brows. Now, I'm going to spend a little bit more time on my brows today because the parts of your face that are outside of the mask, your brows, your eyes, your hair, but yeah, you still want to look put together. Like, even though I'm like in a rush most days and I don't really care right now because, like I said, I have to wear a mask, so I'm not really worried about, you know, is my contour popping, is my face, you know, and my bronze, whatever. I'm not really worried about that because nobody can see it. The parts that people can see, that's the parts that we're gonna focus on. And when I'm in a rush, I just really like to make sure my brows are done. Sometimes I forget to do this, but when I remember, it really keeps my brows in place all day. The concealer trick has been around for a long time, but it really does help give you like that really sculpted brow, especially if you have not been able to get your brows done. And I know a lot of us still have not went back to like the nail salons and hair salons. Cleaning up the brows really does kind of help give it more of a sculpted, cleaner look, like you got your brows done but you really didn't. So you know, you can kind of see it somewhat coming together. I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer now underneath my eyes. So I'm just using that same concealer, and I chose this one because it's not a very brightening concealer. So I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes, and as you can see, it's not very brightening. Like, it's just maybe one shade lighter than my skin tone instead of 2 shades. I'm just going to go in with my sponge and just pretty much do the exact same thing. This is just going to give us some coverage underneath our eyes. This may get on your mask just a tad, but it's like right up underneath the eye area and then a little bit on the nose. So it's not like your entire face is covered in foundation or product. It's just right up underneath the eye area. And you can do more or less with this if you want. You can go spot conceal if you want, putting it above your brows. I like to just take the sponge and whatever else is left, I just kind of go above a little bit on my forehead. And then also I am going to take whatever's left and go over my eyelids as well. So that gave us a little bit of coverage, as you can see. So you can literally just leave it here. I'm going to do that. I'm not going to apply any foundation today. I am going to dab just a tad bit of powder. This is my Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation. And in my experience, this doesn't really transfer as much because once it kind of like gets on the skin, it just kind of like seeps in. It's not really something that, like a powder that would like really transfer. So I'm gonna go all over with this today. Wipe across my face. and across my forehead. These are the lashes I was telling you guys about, the other lighter weight lashes from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I got my lashes applied, and I'm gonna go in with some lower lash mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now I just take like a lip balm with me, or I'll have like my NYX butter gloss or something just to keep my lips hydrated. So today I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu lip balm, and I'm just going to put that on my lips, and that keeps my lips hydrated, but it won't like be too sticky and stick to the mask. After that, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder because I'm noticing my eyelids are just so oily. So I'm just taking that powder and just a blending brush. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the face. So let's move on to the hair. So for this hair, there's not a lot that I have to do to it. What I have in right now are clip-ins. So this is the betterlength kinky curly, I don't know. This is the betterlength clip-in set. I will leave everything down in the description box below, but I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I wanted to try these clip-ins out for myself because I just saw so many people trying them out and they were so cute and nice, and so I was like, this is perfect for summer. So this is the 16-inch 3A 3B set. So I just have them, literally I just have my hair braided underneath it, and I just clip them all the way up to the top, and I put this black and white bandana on, and I tie it at the top, and then I just laid my edges with Style Factor gel. Yeah, love that gel. I just put that gel on my edges, and I've had my hair like this pretty much for the entire day. But for this look, I actually want a more wet look. The hair is dry, so it's starting to like build up and get voluminous because that's what it's going to do. So I like to take my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray the hair. All right, so once it's pretty much wet and nice and just kind of like flat, I'll go in with my Eco Style gel. Yes, I still use Eco Style gel. I mean, sorry. So I just take like this, and I'll rub it in my hands, and I'll just go down the hair. Okay, I turned the brightness up a little bit because I realized it was getting so dark in here. So I have pretty much put gel all on the hair. I'm gonna just add a little bit more because it's still a little bit kind of poofy here. Kind of stays like very nice and wet and sleek before it starts to like dry and build up, just like any natural hair would. Yeah, my edges are still pretty good. They've been kind of setting this entire time, so they're still pretty good. All right, so yeah, so after everything is nice and like sleeked back, that's pretty much the rest for the hair. And I just let it kind of like dry and build all day, and it looks really good. And I like just having like a bandana or a scarf on just to kind of like pull the entire look together. So let's go ahead and hop over to the outfit. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. This is the outfit completely put together. My t-shirt is from Pretty Little Thing. It just says made in the 90s. I am a 90s baby, so I thought that this was really cute. It is in a plus size large, so I got it in the smallest size in the plus size. I didn't see it on the site in like regular petite sizes, so I got it in the plus size. I don't know, I'll try to find it and link it down in the description box below. These biker shorts are from Target, and my necklaces are from this one. This chunky like kind of chain link necklace is from H&M, and then my nameplate necklace that I had on earlier is from Etsy. My sunglasses are from Saks Off Fifth. They weren't that expensive. They're just like that kind of spec, like, I don't know, the specs design is kind of like a play on or imitation of that design. I absolutely love them, especially when I'm trying to show like my brows. Absolutely love these sunglasses. And this fanny pack. I thought that this fanny pack just made it look like a very casual, sporty type outfit. This fanny pack is from Target, and of course it has my essentials in it, like my mask and my hand sanitizer. I also have like my headphones in here as well. For my sneakers, I am wearing my Adidas socks, and then I'm just wearing my Adidas tubulars. I don't know if they still sell these tubulars. I will try to see if I can link them down below, but I'm from Nordstrom a while back. So yeah, these are the sneakers I'm wearing, and these are my socks that I'm wearing. So yeah, so this is pretty much the finished overall outfits and everything, how everything looks. I just put my mask on top of this, and yeah, and I'll be out the door. It doesn't take very long to get this entire look. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.